Washington, CNN. The Supreme Court on Monday tackled two racial gerrymander cases in a fresh attempt to determine how race can be taken into consideration when states draw district lines. The justices heard arguments for more than 2 hours concerning maps in North Carolina and Virginia. In a sign of the complexity of the cases, the justices did something they don't usually do. They allowed the arguing attorneys to go on for extended periods of time without interruption. "This is all," Justice Samuel Alito said at one point, "very, very complicated." As is often the case, Justice Anthony Kennedy could prove to be a critical vote. At one point, he expressed reservation about a lower court opinion that went in favor of the Virginia plans. Monday's case represents another example of how the recent presidential election could profoundly impact the future of the Supreme Court. During the campaign, a 2013 5-4 decision that struck down a key provision of the Voting Rights Act. But Donald Trump is likely to replace the late Justice Antonin Scalia with a like-minded conservative. If Trump were to get the opportunity to fill a second seat, he could further solidify the Shelby majority. Kennedy's comments suggested a discomfort with race being used as a tipping point without the proper scrutiny. "I have a problem with that," he said at one point.